That might be a world record right there, guys.
Fish on, fish on, fish on.
Maybe?
Maybe?
Oh, yes. Oh my god. This is really good.
This,
Come
oh,
over here. Oh my god. Look at my rod. Look at my rod.
that's insane.
Oh, it's a catfish.
It's a catfish.
It's a huge cat. It's a huge cat. It's a really big cat. Oh,
Oh, it's
really
a bullhead? Oh yeah,
Yeah.
it's a bullhead.
it's a super big one. Oh,
Should I stop filming?
perfectly hooked.
Oh yeah.
Look at that guy. All right, guys, look at this. Got this nice little bullhead. We're gonna get him back out. Three. Oh, there he goes. Where did he go? Oh,
Under there.
there he goes. Got something on a marshmallow. On the marshmallow.
It's a bowfin.
It's a nice bowfin.
Oh wait, I got the net. I got the net.
No, I got it. Ooh.
Ooh.
Bowfin.
Oh.
All right, guys. Got him. Got him. Trying to get him away from the tag. Ooh, he feels nice. He is rusty, my rod. Yeah, tiny piece. Ooh, open.
Bowfin. Yeah, I'll let him.
Get that on video. What? We got it.
Perfect net shot.
Perfect net job. That's my. Alright, look at this. Gorgeous. Pretty fat bowfin, actually. We're gonna let this guy go. 3, 2. Oh, he was ready. There he goes.
I like that nervous look on your face when you're starting to think that you're talking too much. I like how we just met and I'm not even.
Go for it.
Thanks, Steve.
See those teeth? Gorgeous bowfin. Kind of fat. We've been trying to get this guy. We just got him. There we go, guys. The bowfin. We're gonna bring him down here. And whew, there he goes. Back off into the depths. We got the monster bowfin. He's gonna go back in 3, 2, 1. Oh, there he goes under the thing. Grab him, grab him, grab him. Oh my god, he's huge. What is a huge one? Bring him up, bring him up, bring him up.
Wait, stop.
Right here. Really smoked it. Look at those teeth. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Huge gar. Those teeth. It's crazy. Alright guys, we got the gar. Look at that. He ate the rope. Look where this is the craziest fish I've ever caught. Okay guys, we got the gar. Look at that. Absolutely crazy. We're gonna put him in the water. And he's gonna fall away. Oh. There he goes. That was the best release I've ever had.